Hello friends, my name is Tanya Agrawal, and in this video I am going to use this battery as a digital pen. So as you can see, here are two terminals in a battery, a negative terminal and a positive terminal. So we'll be using the negative terminal and not the positive terminal, as it is not going to work on our smartphones. So let's start by writing something. Welcome to Knowledge Pitara. We can also scroll the screens. Let's use calculator. It's quite interesting to use battery as a digital pen. We don't have to worry about digital pen now. So now go and search one at your home and start using it. Thank you for watching.